We're going to look at how you can create this path visualization inside Adobe Illustrator using live effects from Astute Graphics. If I make a duplicate, you can see I've got a couple of AG offsets that are just giving it an outline. I'm going to remove those and I'm going to turn this into a basic shape. I don't need any of the fill, so I'm going to turn that off and I'm going to add a new stroke via the appearance panel. This giving us our vector lines of the path. If we go down to the Effects menu, AG Utilities, Path Visualizer, we can now visualize the anchor points, the handles, and the handle lines on our vector objects. We can increase the scale. We can also change the color, but I'm going to leave it black to start with. I'm going to turn off the handles and I'm going to turn off the handle lines. So we're just left with the anchor points, and let's up the scale a little bit further. I'm going to show you another live effect. So heading back down into the Appearance panel, AG Utilities, I'm going to choose Smart Remove Points. And here we can set the tolerance and protect sharp corners. Now this is a really useful live effect because it allows you to reduce the anchor points of your path without fundamentally changing the geometry or it being destructive. The points do still exist on this path, but we're visualizing what it's going to look like without them, and then we can always expand the appearance if we're happy. If I just zoom in, I'm going to click the Smart Remove Points in the Appearance panel to reopen the settings, and we can actually increase or decrease the tolerance here. The higher the tolerance, the more anchor points are going to be removed. And there we've created our vector artwork outlines and anchor points visualization inside Adobe Illustrator using a couple of building blocks from Astute Graphics.